Hello, this is Chooks here again. Yes, I just want to show us this very simple and yet amazing and effective strategy that I'm using to trade boom and crash right now. I love it because it's so simple, straight to the point, not too many indicators, So I'll just go straight to the point to show us how it works. Then I'll talk about the indicator settings. So if you can see, we have two windows. Follow my crosshair. This area, the main window, and also my indicator window one. Okay, like as you can see, I have three lines here and the main indicator. The blue line, follow my crosshair, the dark blue line, this one, and this dark pink, and also this white. So how does this beautiful strategy work? It's basically based on crossovers of the indicators. So sorry about that. I'm getting notifications on WhatsApp. It's distracting me a bit. Okay, so what you look out for, you come to your indicator window one. We'll just do a little back test so that we'll see how the strategy works. Come to your indicator window one. As you can see, there are three indicators in this stochastic houses these other indicators in this indicator window one. As you can see, there's this baby pink. It's actually a MACD indicator, and also a blue one, and then a yellow one. So what you look out for is when the pink one cuts the yellow one at above 80, which is obviously the overbought area. You see that this pink one is cutting the blue one downwards. It's coming downwards. Then you also see that the yellow one, which is an Ichimoku, is also at the 80 region, which is the overbought. And you know that once your Ichimoku is around anything above 70, 75 upwards, that means it's very high. So it's an extra confirmation to tell us that this market has actually gotten to the, at least for the now, around the overbought area, is likely to come back down before it maybe goes back up after some time. So like I said, you look out for this crossover here, then you see your Ichimoku to the yellow line. It's also at the overbought area. You now go to your main charts, trace it up. You wait for these candles to sell and close below this blue line here, which is also an Ichimoku. So that gives you the confirmation to enter your sell for boom 1000. You enter your sell, you sell. If you're the conservative type, you just want to take a few candles, you can just take 5 candles and leave the market to stay safe. Or what I do is, for this strategy, I enter here, then I hold it until, now let's look at the indicator window. That's why I added this MACD in the indicator window one. Is for my exit. It's actually for my exit. Once I enter somewhere here, then I'll come back to the indicator window one and watch when this pink MACD comes and touches level 20. This is where I exit. So for instance, if you enter the sell here and you exited when that MACD touches level 20, that will be about 28 candles. That's 28 candles. I mean, with good lot size, that's massive, So you can choose to either take few candles, like 5 candles, and exit to stay safe. Or what I do is I follow the MACD down. When the MACD touches level 20, around here, it's about 28, 29 candles, I exit. So let's back test for more. Let's see where the conditions are met. Here, the MACD, okay. Also, there's a crossover here. Look at the main indicator window one. There's a crossover. The Ichimoku, the yellow line, is also at the overbought region. You come to your main window, After the candles close below the blue Ichimoku, you enter a sell and take it way down till when the MACD, the indicator window one touches level 20. This is about 21 candles. Good lot size. Even with a small lot size, you keep building your account. Let's back test for more. Let's back test for more. Let's back test for more. Okay, here also you can see the window one crossover of the blue moving average and the MACD. Your Ichimoku is at the overbought region here, as you can see. Then you come to your main chart and see, wait for when the market closes, the candles closes below the blue Ichimoku. Put your trigger for a sell. Then if you want to take 5-10 candles, it's also safe to do so. Or I wait for when the MACD touches level 20. In this instance, that's 20 candles. So as you can see, the MACD is the purple line. It crosses the blue one here and come all the way down. When it gets to this place, I close my trade before this so that the spike doesn't take part of our profit. So let's go to crash 1000. Let's go to crash 1000 and see. No, not 1000. Okay. So for crash 1000, the reverse will be the case. Since we are trading against the spikes, we are not catching spikes. We are catching the small candles. So we'll be buying. That means we'll be buying crash. I'm not a fan of buying crash, but at least for this strategy, it works. You can use it to build your small account. So you come to your indicator window one, see where this really pink MACD crosses the blue moving average, and also the Ichimoku is below level 20, which is the oversold region. Now you come to your main chart, wait for the candles to cross and close above. Since we are buying crash, this blue Ichimoku, you buy, you hold it until when your MACD fix your eyes on window one, when your MACD touches level 80, and that is 21 candles in this case. That's very good. Let's look for other opportunities. Okay, here also, see here, these two cross here below level 20, and your Ichimoku also fell below level 20. For confirmation, come to your main window and you see that these green candles have crossed upwards and closed above this blue Ichimoku. You enter your buy and you hold it until you're looking at your window one now, until the MACD touches level 80, which is somewhere around here. That's over 20 candles. So like what I usually advise people to do before you take any trade, go to your higher time frames, like the 1 hour. Like in this case now for crash 1000, it went up for some time, but as you can see, between here and here is coming down. So that's why even while you are scalping a buy, don't stay in the market for too long, because currently, as you can see this huge move here, taking about some hours to get from here to here. So it's currently on a downtrend. If you go to your 30 minutes, you'll see it's in a downtrend. As you can see, it went up for some time, but it's currently coming down. If you go to your 15 minutes, you'll see that it's a downtrend. As you can see, 5 minutes is a downtrend. So you can't stay in the market for too long because you're scalping. So when you do your buys, don't stay there for too long. Let's look for other opportunities also. Okay, okay. Let's see. Okay, there's a good buy here. You see this blue line and the pink line cross each other at the oversold region, and the Ichimoku is also at the oversold region. You come to your main chart, the green candles closes above the Ichimoku. You take a buy from here. If you want to take 5-10 candles, beautiful, stay safe. Or you wait until, looking at the indicator window one, your MACD, the pink line touches level 80. That's 20 candles. You take it. So that's all there is to this wonderful strategy. So let's go to the settings. Let's go to the settings. If you go to your If you wanna, you go to your main window. When you wanna add your indicators, go to your main window. You have this moving average, period 50. Method is exponential. Apply to close. 4 pixel. I choose this dark pink color. You click done. This is it here. This is a 50 moving average. This pink line here. Then also we have moving average 200. And we know that the moving average 200 is your dynamic support and resistance. It tells you the overall trend of the current time frame at any point in time. 200 exponential. I choose because my background is black. I choose white. I want something that is very sharp. Done. So this is it here. This white moving average above here. This is the 200 moving average. So, and also I have a third moving average here, but I've hidden it because I'm not using it for the strategy. It's not important for the strategy. Then we have the Ichimoku. Add your Ichimoku 999, 9952. Then cancel 9, Kijisen 9, Seiko span B 52. We only need the style for the Tenkan-sen, 3 pixel blue. The other ones, Kijisen, Upkumo, Downkumo, and Chico span. Make them 1 pixel, the color of your background. Mine is black, that's why I've chosen white, black rather, 1 pixel, so it doesn't show. I want this to be a bit darker, so I'm going to make it 4 pixel. Click done. Okay, so that's all for the main window. Then you come to your indicator window 1. You have your stochastic oscillator. Percentage period 1, D period 1, slowing 1. Price field low/high. Method is simple. Styles. Your main is 1 pixel, your background color. Signal is 1 pixel, your background color, because we don't need them to show. The main and the signal, we don't need all that to show. The important thing we need for this stochastic oscillator is your levels. So for your levels, you have 20, 50, 80, 65, 35, 34. All these are not really important. So I don't even need all these ones since I don't need all these ones. So I'm just going to remove this. So what's important is your 20, 50, 80. I can just leave that 65. So for my boom, for my 20 level, I use it as boom take profit. 80 level, I use it as, I labeled it rather as sell. So I click back and click done. So this is our stochastic oscillator. So inside your stochastic oscillator, we're going to add some other indicators. So you go back to your main chart, to your indicator window, to your indicators. Now you click on your indicator window 1. Inside your indicator window 1, your stochastic houses the same Ichimoku you put in the main window. Tenkan-san 9, Kijisen 9, Seiko span B 52. So in this case, I only choose yellow here because I had already used yellow in the main chart. I don't want, so otherwise you can just use the same, add the same Ichimoku you added in the main window. In this your stochastic oscillator, you click done. So it is this yellow line here in the main. That's my Ichimoku. I think I should make it a bit darker and just make it 4 pixel so that it's very sharp. Okay. So also we go back to your indicator window 1. You add your moving average, period of 10, shift 0. Method is linear weight. This time around it's not exponential, it's linear weight. Apply to close, 4 pixel. I chose this aqua blue. You click done. You click on done, and that's this blue line that you see here. This blue line here that is crossing with the MACD, the purple MACD. Oh, sorry, the pink MACD. So the last indicator here is our MACD. Period is fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 1. Apply to close. Your main is 1 pixel, the color of your background, and signal is 3 pixel. I choose pink here. You can choose any color you want and click done. So that is it for this wonderful and awesome strategy. See you guys later.